This bee builds its nest using plastic bags. Meet the polyester bee, nature's ultimate recycler. Instead of using natural materials like leaves or plant resins, this clever bee cuts up plastic shopping bags and uses the pieces to line and waterproof its nest. It even seals the nest with plastic. The twist:
baby bees
the plastic is actually waterproof and durable, so it protects the developing larvae from
as they grow.
moisture
Here,
and
innovation
predators,
and nature
better
combine
than
for
some natural
protective
materials. Nature adapting to human pollution. Subscribe for more amazing animal facts. You won't believe the next one.